Hi, and welcome to the instructional video for the chair cane. I'm going to show you a few applications. First on the box, there's some instructions and some warnings. Take a good look at the box. There's also some illustrations on how to place the cane. When you get it in the box, it should be fully assembled. We wanted to make it as easy as possible. There is a little hook on here. It's for like a little grocery bag with light items, like toilet paper or just to use as trash, a trash container, whatever you need it for. There's a button down here, and you just push it down, and you slide that up, and you make sure the little prong goes underneath a junction. You want something that'll stop it if it starts to slide when pressure is applied. So you go like that. The base will rotate around a little bit if you need it to, depending on your space. See, when you push any pressure down on here, the fork will start to stop it and the pressure goes in here. Now, the base of the chair cane has grooves on it. See if I can. And the grooves help keep the traction there to give you a little extra support and stability. Test it out on whatever floor you're using it on before you actually put it into action. But it works on just about any floor. But test it out first just to be safe. And so here, got a little bit of wobble and rock on it. Just putting a real light pressure. Put this underneath it. So if someone's trying to push off the arm, now if you need a little extra support, you can find a junction in the back of the chair. Of course, if you didn't have something on the other side, you could use one of these on the other side. Again, you rest the prongs up against the junction, and you push down, and give it a pretty good effort. These are not meant for broken chairs or broken bedside commodes. And they're not to replace assistance. If your therapist or your doctor thinks that you need help getting in and out of a chair, and you feel unstable getting in and out of a chair, by all means still have that person help you. This is just to keep the wobbling down and to give you just a little bit extra support so you're less likely to feel unsafe and like it's going to tip over on you. Okay, here's just the old patio chair we have. We place the bar back here because that's where the only junction on the side that faces out. Because everything else is on the inside of the frame. So the only place on the outside is right there where the arm meets the chair. So again, just a little bit of pressure, it starts to wobble. Stick that underneath. And it's a little more stable there. Again, the chair's broke, don't use it.